If you have a black screen during calls on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. After that, we're gonna choose display and brightness, and over here we have raise to wake. You can turn it off just for now at least in order to see if that helps. Besides that, another thing that we can do is go to accessibility settings, and over here open motion, and you want to disable reduce motion. If it's enabled, of course, you want to turn it off. Besides these two options, another thing that you can do is go to general, and over here if you scroll all the way down you should be able to choose transfer or reset iPhone, and then go to reset, and over here you can reset all settings. Of course you will have to go through your settings again and set them up as they were before, but before you actually do that, of course you want to check if the issue is still there. Perhaps there was some sort of setting that is enabled that of course causes this issue, so you want to slowly adjust your settings and make sure that nothing is enabled that could mess up calls and could provide make this issue, generally speaking. Now, besides that, besides settings, another thing that is worth mentioning is the screen protector. So if you recently applied the screen protector can be also the reason why you have the black screen during calls, because for example your phone thinks that you actually keep your phone right next to your ear because of that screen protector. So what you can do is you can try to remove the screen protector, clean your screen, your screen over here, and then try to make calls and see if the issue is still there. If it's gone, then most likely the screen protector was the issue, so you can try to apply a new screen protector. And if it wasn't, then unfortunately, well, we can just move on to the next steps. And another thing that we can do is also perform a forced restart of our device. So in order to do that, you have to press volume up, then volume down, and then you want to press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So you don't have to use these buttons at the same time. You need to use volume up and then volume down. Just click on them and then press and hold the side button. If none of this helps, the last thing that you can do on your own is you can perform the factory reset or hard reset of your device. So you can go to settings again and open general. Once again, go to transfer or reset iPhone, and then over here we can choose erase all content and settings. Of course, you want to make backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose. And I know it is inconvenient to do so, but this can actually be helpful. And if this didn't help as well, if you still have issue with the black screen on your phone while having calls, while being on a call, then at this point you should seek professional help or try to contact Apple support and try to make a hardware check. Perhaps the support will provide more information or more guidance on how to solve this issue. But most likely you just have to, just try to get professional help and make them fix the issue for you, or let them try to explain you how to actually solve this issue. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.